Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add read more button on Elementor. So first of all, you want to go ahead to Elements on Elementor and find the toggle option. We can also use accordion, but the toggle option will be maybe easier a little bit. So here we have it. Now you want to rename it and have it read more option. We also want to go ahead and disable this icon, and from here now we can go ahead and write down the advanced CSS classes right there, and here you want to go ahead and write read more button like so. Now we also want to go ahead and add a code for this type of, as you can see, it already works, but if you want to have a custom CSS, you can go ahead, click right there, and you will want to put this code right there in the custom CSS. As I don't have Elementor Pro, then I cannot add it now, but this is the code you want to add. I'm gonna leave the link to the code in the description below. Basically, this will give you some type of color, which you can also change with that read more button. And after that, just make sure you write this down as in CSS classes. And then you should have a beautiful read more button, or you can also just leave it like so. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.